Did you know that numbers aren't just for counting? They actually carry powerful energy that can influence your life in ways that you've never even imagined. So, we're going to dive into numerology and explore the numbers and how they're connected to abundance and love and much, much more. So, first we'll dive into the concept of the vibrational energy. So, in numerology, every number has its own unique vibrational frequency. This means that the numbers are way more than a symbol for a value. They actually radiate specific energy. When you tune into the vibration of those numbers, we can harness that energy to manifest our desires or understand our life path, because numerology can tell you a lot about yourself and a lot about where you need to be. And I'm sorry, I'm ADHD, so I will always have notes that I look at, just to let y'all know. So, okay. We're going to use the number 8 as an example real quick. So it's a symbol for abundance and success and infinite possibilities. I mean, we know 8, that's the infinity symbol, right? So the shape of 8, I was just saying, the shape of 8 represents the infinity symbol, which represents an unending flow of energy and wealth. That's why people who resonate with the number 8 often find themselves drawn to financial success and leadership roles, because that's just like, it's in your blood, it's in your DNA, basically. I consider numerology to be a part of our DNA, just like astrology, because it really it makes up who we are to an extent, and it can help us understand things and see things that can really lead us in a different direction in life that'll make life way easier. So, how do you apply this practically, like in everyday life? How does numerology work other than, oh, I figured out my number from my birthday or from my name? Like, how does it work other than that? Okay, so many people choose to start new projects or make business deals or even get married on specific dates that add up to like 8 or the 17th, which is equal 8, something like that. So people do things like that to tap into the numbers abundant energies and align themselves with prosperity, align themselves with that energy. Because when we align ourselves with that energy, that's how we start manifesting that energy in our life. All right, so you want to know how you find out your personal vibration number? So it's actually very simple, and there are numerous numbers that you have, but we're just going to go over this one real quick. So you can calculate your personal number or your life path number using your birthday. Now, with numerology, for the most part, because there are other cases, for the most part, you're going to be using single digit numbers. So you'll add your birthday together until you get a single digit. Okay, so like if it equals 23, then you would add 2 plus 3 and get 5. Okay, so why? What's the point of this, right? So each life path number has its own vibration, and it gives insight into your personality, into your purpose, into the energy that's just like built within you. And just like with astrology, it gives you insight so that you can take action, so that you can learn to control things better, so you know what to look out for. These are tools. They're not, just like with tarot, it's not an indefinite. It's not every single thing is going to be exact. It's a tool to help you. You get to choose if you use it or not. If you're not going to harness that power, if you don't believe in it, then it's not going to do it. It's not going to work for you or anything like that. Like, you might still have characteristics, of course, because that's your number. But if you're not tapping into it, if you don't believe in it, it's a very, very different effect. So, yeah, I think numerology is a really amazing thing to use. Like, if you're seeing a number all the time, like, look that number up or come talk to me. If, you notice, you look at the clock at the same time. It's the same time every day. when you look at the clock, you notice something like that. Like it's always 11:11. You know, something like that. So yeah, numbers are super important. And you can harness things like numerology and astrology to succeed in life. You can use it in your life. You can use it in your business. It's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. But I mean, you got to learn about it. There's way more in-depth learning when you want to learn about using it to work in your life and for you. So yeah, numerology is totally awesome. I love it, guys. I love it. So if y'all want to figure out your life path number and drop it in the comments, I will give you a little bit of a message behind what your number is, okay? So yeah, this video is also an insight into what my subscribers will be getting, because we are going to cover different numbers like every single day. We're going to have different numerology insights, and not even just covering like 8, covering like 111. You know, all of the different numbers and different aspects of numerology. So if you love numerology, you want to learn more, you want to get like more information about the rest of your chart, because there's different numbers that you have, make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe, give me some stars over here because I can finally get them. So yeah, make sure you follow me, and I will definitely be giving you lots of knowledge. And if you subscribe, we're going to have so much fun. We're going to do Reiki sessions, and we will go on live together and talk. If you want, you can give me suggestions for subjects to cover, all of that. So yeah, come subscribe. We'll have a lot of fun. I can't wait to get to know some of y'all. Much love to all of you, and I will talk to y'all in a little bit.